What's up, everyone? Day 45 of opening a Pokemon pack. Today we have a Japanese Journey Together pack, so hopefully we can pull something good out of it. 5 cards are included. Here we go. Try to get something good here. Get this pack open. Give me a minute here. Alright. Cards out. First card, we have a Ladtoad. Pretty cool card. Next up, we have a Caterpie. Pretty sure it's called. Pretty cool card as well. I like the art on it. Then we have Butterfree. Pretty cool. Lily's Butterfree. Let's go! We got the top hit, guys. No way. Let's go. $40 card. Boom! And then we have an NPP up Japanese. Let's go, guys.